Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play the NIM game. NIM is a fascinating mathematical game of strategy, perfect for 2 players. The basic idea is simple. You and your opponent take turns removing objects from several distinct piles. The ultimate objective of the game is to be the player who successfully takes the very last object, securing your victory. It's a game that combines simple rules with deep strategic thinking. Let's dive into the core rules of NIM. The game starts with any number of piles, each containing a certain number of objects. When it's your turn, you must choose one single pile and remove at least one object from it. You can take as many objects as you like from that chosen pile, even all of them, but you cannot touch any other pile during that turn. The player who makes the move to take the very last object from the game is declared the winner. To truly master NIM, you need to understand the NIM sum, a powerful winning strategy. The NIM sum is calculated by performing a bitwise XOR operation on the number of objects in each pile. If the NIM sum is 0, it's called a P-position, meaning the previous player has a winning strategy. If it's non-zero, it's an M-position, and the current player can win. Your strategic aim is always to make a move that leaves your opponent facing a NIM sum of 0. Let's put the NIM sum strategy into practice with an example. Imagine 3 piles containing 3, 4, and 5 objects respectively. First, calculate the NIM sum for this configuration. If it's non-zero, you can make a move to reduce it to 0, ensuring you are in a winning position. Practice is key. Try different starting pile sizes and work through the NIM sum calculations. With consistent practice, you will quickly develop an intuitive understanding of how to win almost every game of NIM.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.